Yeah, so now we have to get something to put the oil in. And because I'm a cheap bastard, I guess we're going to use that thing. It's going to work, right? Something like that. So now you get to watch me wash this bitch up. Because I'm such a thoughtful person, you know. Maybe I should give a tutorial on how to wash ice cream buckets. And who the fuck left the brush in the sink? God damn. Yeah, I ate like fucking 2 gallons of ice cream last night just to get this fucker empty so I could use it. But that's life. Sometimes you gotta suffer to pay the price and get your fucking Civic fixed for its fucking 300,000 mile oil change. You're gonna have like clumps of fucking dog turds in it, and aluminum, and NOS stickers. That's what's gonna come out, NOS stickers. Maybe I'll just bring it back to the store and like tell them that I want a refund because it's not actually like chocolate ice cream. You know? I don't know. The fuck you want?